Are there any clients that you would not take on? And are there any people na sinubukan nyo, let's say, mag-commentator na hindi naman talaga uubra?
Madami.
Okay.
Madami. Meron nga tayong kausap late nung nakaraan, di ba?
Oo.
Akala mo, okay na. Yung pala,
may saltik din.
may saltik din. So,
what about in terms of clients? Who would you say no to, let's say, a politician, a cigarette company, yung mga ganon?
Siguro hindi naman sa no. You know, we take a cautious approach. Kasi a business is a business. Unless binabawal ng batas, hindi namin gagawin namin. So pag okay naman siya, then okay lang. Kasi at the end of the day, Bill, I'm here to not just build the company and, you know, I have a big vision. So big that pag sinabi ko, magmumukha akong ewan eh. Parang, ano ba tong sinori, uy?
Well, sabi nga nila, if people don't laugh at your dream, you're not dreaming big enough.
Yeah, so, that was sometimes, sinashare ko lang yan in intimate occasions, over 2 bottles. Mga napagkukwentuhan yan sa ganyan. Pero, I have big dreams and, you know, we'll get there by hook or by crook.